In this demo, we show what Team 305 completed during Sprint 4 for Pocket Pantry. During this past sprint, we had two main objectives: create shared pantries and send notifications about food nearing expiration. These two features will better help Pocket Pantry users from wasting food. After a lot of hard work, I am happy to say that we completed all of our requirements for Sprint 4. Building off previous sprints in which we enabled users to add and edit items to a pantry and create a shopping list where they could add items and then they could then transfer those items over to pantries. During this sprint, our team enabled users to share pantries. Let's walk you through a scenario. Roommates Buzz and George decided that with the vaccine rollout, they will get their diets right together and will share meal prep. They want to have a shared view of this pantry so that they can keep a better track of their food and minimize waste. We thought that to share a pantry with someone, you should be their friend first. So let's walk through adding a friend in Pocket Pantry. Right now, you add a friend by inputting their email linked with their Pocket Pantry account in this view. Next sprint, we hope to add a friend request confirmation in this process. Now that George and Buzz are friends on Pocket Pantry, let's create a new pantry for them to share. Let's create a new pantry for Buzz. Let's call it Shared Pantry. And let's navigate to it. And since they are friends, we can add George as a user. Check it got added. Sweet. And note this will automatically be fetched by George's pantry, and we could have also shared an existing pantry. And let's add some food to this so that it has some time to load. And let's get some more healthy food in. Let's get some brown rice. Let's get this diet. Alright, so George's device should have picked this up. And notice how it's all shared now. We took a little bit of a delay due to network latency. Although we avoid these delays on most functionality due to utilizing a SQLite instance locally on devices, we must experience some delay in sharing data through our servers and Mongo instances. And to show that we are in fact storing data on some shared database, in a backend, and to show this is not hard-coded, let's go add an item. Let's add some bananas. Yep. And let's have them be unripe. And it should take a couple seconds, once again, due to network latency. And there we go. So these users are able to share pantries and still having their own individual without having to share those that they could if they wanted to. Now time to show off expiration notifications. This user has items of which are at expiry. This sprint, we enabled notifications to be sent to users to remind them about food in the days that it nears expiration, such that they can better attempt to eat it before the food will then expire. Moving forward with our final sprint, Sprint 5, we will best prep our project and app for the expo. With this, our objectives include combing through and improving the UI with more animations and images, and adding shared shopping lists, of which will utilize the groundwork set by shared pantries.